Okay. Uh, the energy expenditure basically includes the energy which human body spends for many different purposes, such as life sustaining metabolic functions and digestion, physical activity. It is regardless of the purpose for which the body spend energy. Okay, the energy expenditure will fall within one of the following three categories: basal or resting metabolic rate, BMR, or sometimes it is also known as RMR, that is resting metabolic rate. Thermic effect of body, TEF, remember these short term. We will deal these terms in the later part of the lecture. And energy expenditure of activity, that is EEA, energy expenditure of activity. So overall energy expenditure can be calculated by summing up all these three, like RMR plus TEF plus EEA. What is basal or resting metabolic rate? Basically, basal or resting metabolic rate is the amount of energy per minute the body uses to maintain a quiet resting state. Okay, it is the amount of energy per minute the body uses. Okay, this is approximately 1 calorie per minute. Okay. Over the course of day and night, a person will expend a substantial amount of calories just to maintain the body. And it is around like overall day and night include 1440 minutes in a day. So as per recommendation, 1 calorie per minute, that is a body needs around 1440 calorie per day just to maintain its resting metabolic rate. Interesting now. So if you do nothing, but still you have to take 1440 calorie per day to maintain your daily physical condition. Okay, your body requirement. And approximately 60% to 75% of energy used every day uh, eh, to maintain the essential body functions and to sustain the life. And these function includes nervous system activity, breathing, heart function, maintenance of body temperature, and hormone activity. So now I hope you all have the clear idea about BMR or RMR. BMR, how BMR can be measured? It is typically taken in a darkened room upon waking after 8 hours of sleep and 12 hours of fasting to ensure that the digestive system is inactive with the subject resting in a reclining position. Do you know, if we want to measure BMR, as person woken up in the morning, he or she will be carried to a dark room, and there it is measured with the help of instrument. Okay, person should be in complete fasting. Next, how RMR can be measured? It is typically measured when a person is under less restricted condition than BMR and do not require the subject to spend the night sleeping in the test facility prior to measurement. As a result, RMR has become the more popular measure and then BMR. Okay, because less stringent condition is required to measure the RMR. What are the factors which affects the BMR and RMR? Basically, BMR and RMR primarily related to lean tissue fat-free mass, and it is influenced by a number of factors in combination. Okay, like age. Metabolism slows with age, 2 to 3% per decade after 30 years of age. Remember this fact: after 30 years of age, metabolism of a person gets slower down. 2 to 3% per decade, and primarily due to loss of muscle tissue, due to inactivity, and but also due to hormonal and neurological changes. Gender, due to gender differences. Okay, generally men have faster metabolism than women, and because they tend to be larger and have more muscle tissues. Okay, this may be the reason why men have faster metabolism. Body size. Larger adult bodies have more metabolically active tissues, which leads to a higher BMR or RMR. Okay, within less than 1 minute, this meeting is going to end. Please rejoin the meeting to continue the. We will continue this topic and finish this today. Okay, so this is basically body size also affect the BMR, body composition, muscle tissues uses more calories than fat even at rest, and genetic predisposition